This might sound kinda crazy, but I recognize your smile.
We must both be insane, because I swear I've known you a while.
It's good to see you crystal clear. Had a vision, now you're here, it's you, yeah. It's really you. And your smile shines even brighter than I've seen it in my head.
And we're from two worlds apart, but still there's a common thread. And
now it's finally been revealed, I'm in some magnetic field with you, yeah.
oh, with you, yeah.
Oh, it pulled me to you.
Pull me to you, yeah.
And you don't have to say another word, I already heard ya. I feel you,
I feel you,
I hear you loud and clear.